Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to quickly filter and delete your retweets on iPhone using Circleboom without scrolling through your profile one by one. First, open the Circleboom app on your iPhone and sign into your X account. Tap the My Tweets tab from the bottom navigation bar. Here, you'll see all the tweet management tools available for your account. Then tap Delete My Last Tweets. Circleboom will load your recent tweets, replies, and reposts automatically. You can scroll through the list and preview everything before deleting anything, which makes cleanup much safer and easier. After that, tap the Filter Options button near the top left corner. Now turn off the tweets and replies. Circleboom filters the results and shows only your retweets. You can also use extra filters here if you want. For example, you can filter reposts by date range, keywords, hashtags, or even engagement numbers like likes and retweets. If you want to remove reposts individually, you can go one by one. But if you want a faster cleanup, tap the pink Delete All Tweets button at the top right. Circleboom will show a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure you want to continue. Tap Delete to confirm, and the app will begin removing all selected reposts from your X account automatically. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming!